Hey folks, this is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. I am going to show you how to make $2,100 right here, basically by using your iPhone in 31 minutes flat, okay? So pay attention here and listen. Always, if you don't mind, you can go to my channel, sub, like this video here. Feel free to share because this is the contribution to you. So basically, you see this right here? So imagine putting your link here, whatever your link is. It could be wesleyvirgin.com. It could be overnightmillionaire.com, overnightmillionaire.net. And you shorten that URL. Every time someone clicks on that URL, they're going to see some advertisements. And when they hit the skip button or they engage in the actual content, you get paid. Does that make sense? Basically for free, doing nothing, okay? You're just posting the link, okay? So the name of the site is shrinkearn.com, okay? shrinkearn.com. And listen, it is just, let me share something. This is for all my people that are very new to this, okay? Are new to online marketing. You don't know what you don't know, okay? You just don't know what you don't know. Some of you are struggling, and you're struggling unfairly because you just don't know. So this is why I'm doing these type of videos, and you can always hit the like and share button. I appreciate that because it's a contribution, and it does inspire me to do more of these videos for you to make money now, okay? So basically, this is all you have to do. You just sign up. Let me log out of my account. Let me go to my dashboard because, of course, I have an account as well. But if you want to open up a new account, you go here, and I know what you guys are thinking. Wesley, is this worldwide? Wesley Virgin. Wesley Virgin, is that a toy Rolls Royce calling it? It is, because I have a Rolls Royce, okay? Listen, so the question may be, Wesley, is this worldwide? Would I see? Absolutely. Listen, anybody can do this. It doesn't matter what country you live. It doesn't matter if you live on an air mattress under the bridge. As long as you have an email and a username, you can do this right now, okay? So always in the comment section, I ask you guys to put where you live, what country, what state, what city, what province, right? Even if you live on an island, all right? Put it in the comments below so I can create more videos that is more focused on your country or where you live, because I live in America, okay? The land of the free, the land of the brave, whatever, right? So I want to give everybody the opportunity, such as you, and I thank you for the like button. This is why I want to focus on international ways to make money, all right? I see you, ATL. Okay, so basically, once you guys create an account here, I'm going to log in because, of course, I have an account already. My username is Billions, right? Because, well, I'm a billionaire, of course. Listen, you should always create usernames that are aligned with your goals, okay? That's very subliminal. I teach more about mindset on my YouTube channel. Search the videos, okay? So let me log in here because you're about to get very excited real quickly here. Let me do this captcha here. These things are annoying, right? So, boom. Let's log into my account here, okay? So this is all you have to do. It's very simple, actually. You go down here to tools, okay? See that? Tools. Can everybody see that? All right, tools, right? Quick link. I'm sorry, mass shrinker here, okay? And you just put your link that you want to shorten, okay? Now listen, if you're an affiliate marketer, say if you're marketing overnightmillionaire.com, which is my site, overnightmillionaire.net, which is my site. That company does about $1 million a month. It's a mindset program. It's a digital product that I display online. And if you're an affiliate, I talk about in some of my videos to use Bitly. It gives you the ability to shorten a URL, right? Because Facebook, social media, they don't like Bitly actually. But this company right here, instead of using Bitly, you can use them and you get paid in the process. So basically, every time they click, once you get 1,000 views on that page from people clicking, they're gonna pay you. Now, let me show you how much money they pay you. That may be your question as well, okay? Scroll over here. And I wanna be very transparent with you. Listen, disclaimer is, this is not gonna make you $1 million, but it made me $2,100. And that's why I went to Saks. And I'm gonna show you how I did that. And if you watch to the very end, I'm gonna show you a cool way to get free traffic. All the great people use it. All the high paid YouTubers use it as well. Okay, so publisher rates here. Can everybody see that? I'm gonna go slow. Okay, hold your horses. Okay, so if you scroll down to here, they'll pay you up to $20 per 1,000 views. That means if 1,000 people click on your link, you'll make $20 based off this data right here. That makes sense? So it's up to $20. So you can make 13, 10, 7, whatever. Make sense? Is everybody with me so far? And it's just people clicking on your link. They don't have to buy anything. They don't have to engage in the content. They just have to click and land on the page itself, and you just get paid. So it's really a free way to do it. Now, your question may be, well, Wesley, how do I get more traffic to the link? Right? If that's your question, hit the like button if that's your question. If not, hit the share button. If that's your question, Wesley, how do I get, okay, I understand that these people that I can put my URL, wesleyvirgin.com, overnightmillionaire.net, go to now, or maybe your URL, your website, right? This is how you do it, okay? Let me show you. I'm gonna show you right here in this video. Is that cool? Yeah, I give value, right? If you love me because I give so much value, do you mind banging the like button right now for me, okay? Because I'm gonna show you how I do it. Here we go. So let's go to my channel. This is my channel here, YouTube. I do recommend using YouTube because it's really easy to use. And I'm gonna give you a bad traffic source that's insane, man. It's crazy. All right, look at this. So if I go to your videos here, okay? And listen, you don't know what you don't know, but now you know. And many marketers, they charge people money to do this. And I'm not charging you a dime to do this. So let me back up here. Let me go to my YouTube studio. Okay, marketers, you know what's so funny? It's some marketing programs right now that you'll pay $1,000 for, okay? And they would give you the exact same information that you can find for free. I know, it's serious, it's crucial. But now you guys know the game here because I'm gonna teach you the game, all right? So this is the reason why you should love and like these videos because, well, that inspires me to do more of them, okay? Because I want you to go shopping for no reason. I went shopping today because it's Wednesday. I mean, no, I was just a little bored and I said, you know what? I'm gonna go buy something. And I did. All right, now look here. Let's do a view date. Views. Show you some of my top views. You can see this video got over 21 million views here. Okay. This video here got 2 million. So let's click on the description here. Let's see what's in the description. And if you open it up, as you can see here, skip, shrink, earn ad. That's the link. See? I do this. I did this years ago, actually. This is back in the day when I was ripped and had a six-pack. As you can see now, I need to work on my poochie pooch right now. When you get rich, you start eating a lot of food. You eat good food, but you eat a lot of it, okay? So listen, you see here, right here, this is the link here. So basically, when people watch the video, over 3 million people have watched this video, and obviously 3 million people haven't clicked on that link. So let's say about 10% of people will click on the link. Let's just be modest. Let's be conservative here, okay? 300,000 people will click on that link, right? So let's do the math and let's be conservative with the numbers. Just don't say $20 per thousand. We'll say 7. All right. So if I go to my calculator here, all right. Here's my calculator here. So what you do is 10% of 3 million is 300,000. That's 300 times 7. Okay. That's $2,100 that they're going to send you to your PayPal account, your Skrill account. They're going to transfer to your bank account immediately, okay? And let me ask you a question. Did I do anything? I didn't. I just posted a video. But I know what you're thinking. Well, Weston, how do we get traffic? I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you a site that everybody uses. Mark Cuban, Ty Lopez, Grant Cardone. Everybody uses this to build their YouTubes fast. They will never tell you. Well, because they don't like you. I mean, but me, I like you. So, and I want people to win because I didn't grow up rich. I didn't grow up wealthy. So, I'm always, it's always about the young people. You know what I mean? All the people that don't know what they're doing. Okay. And it's a lot of you, but I love you. But listen, so this is how I do it here. It's just that simple. In the YouTube description here, I put that link here, which that's a shortening to overnightmillionaire.net. Person clicks this link, they see advertisement. as long as they land on the page, you're gonna basically, that's gonna count as a view, right? You need 1,000 of them to make the $7 or the $20, right? But remember, this happens on autopilot. Obviously, I created this video, I don't know, 9 years ago. I get like 5,000 views every single day, right? So it just happens every single day on this video, right? It's nothing to have to think about. But now, when a person clicks on this link here, right now, they go to a page that has some ads. They click the word skip, and then it brings them to your actual page. Does that make sense so far? Hello? Does that make sense, everyone? How many of you want to like and share this video because I'm giving massive value here? How many of you just believe that you love me because I'm doing this? I mean, I can stop if you want me to. Listen, I have over 15 streams of income right now, and it's from stuff like this. Because I spent 10 years investigating, researching, and busting my butt to learn this. So I'm giving it to you for free because I love you, and I don't have to know you to love you. You're breathing, right? Are you breathing? Absolutely. You got those big old beautiful brown, blue, green eyes, right? You're probably short or tall, and I love you, and I want you to win. Is that cool? All right, so let me give you, before I give you that traffic source, do you promise not to tell anybody? Don't tell all the big marketers that I'm sharing this, okay? All I'm gonna ask you to do, if you want me to show you right now, please kindly at this moment hit the like and share button if I gave you value, okay? The site right here, Shrink Earn, is very popular. It's been around for years. They're legit. They do pay out very nicely here. You gotta have a minimum of $5 in your account, and they'll pay you out daily, weekly, up to you. PayPal, web money, pay your Bitcoin, Skrill, Pasiri, Neteller, right? UPI, bank transfer. That means it's international, it's worldwide. Anybody can make the money. But now let me give you the website if you want to use to drive the traffic to, okay? I'm not going to go in detail. You got to do the research for yourself. But I will put the site right here. Hold on. Let me see. Where is it at? Hold on, guys. So here's the site right here. And you can see some of the people that use it. Evan Carmichael, right? Tim Shamorier, Mark Cuban uses it. Yeah, man, it's crazy, right? So all these people use this site basically to dominate YouTube, right? So the thing is, this is what I'm gonna do, okay? I don't really want to make this public, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the link in the description below, and all you have to do is just go to the link in the description below, and basically that's the traffic source. It's badass. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you, it's killer. So I'm going to leave it below, but I'm gonna do this. Once I get at least 50 shares on this video and at least, let's say 100 plus likes, I'm gonna give it to you in the description below. Go there, thank me later. And it doesn't matter if you have a YouTube channel right now that has like 0 views. Listen, once I start using it, let me tell you something. My videos get tens of thousands of views every single day. You can look at my analytics right here, and I'll leave that link once we get about 50 shares, so you can share it right now. Like the video as well. That's all you gotta do. You don't have to pay money for it. It's free, and you can do it right now. Look at that. That's just, yeah, that's the website that I'm gonna post right below, right when I get 50 shares, because guess what? You gotta do something to earn it. A little bit. I gave you so much free value. So now I'm asking from the top of my heart, like it, share it, and the link will be there very soon. Hey guys, if I gave you any value here, and listen, I'm just a young black kid from Houston, Texas. It's nothing great about me. I just make a lot of money online, okay? I filed bankruptcy before. I've lost cars, homes, time I couldn't even feed my children properly. Okay, I didn't always have this beautiful bed right here, and I always couldn't shop at Saks. But one thing I changed with my life was this. I changed the books that I read. I changed the people that were around me. As you can see, I have no one around me, right? And I started to focus. And now I teach people how to create products online very quickly to make money. Listen, it's not that hard. It's very easy to do. You can do this. Okay, first step is this. You got to believe in yourself. Go get the book, Magic of Believing. Okay, if you don't believe in yourself, get that book. It'll change your life. Okay, listen, in the link in the description below, I'll also leave one link if you want me to help you create your first product online. I can't guarantee you $1 million, but hell, $10,000 a month, I'm pretty sure a lot of people will say, amen, Wes, give me $10,000 a month. I will love you, right? So, yeah, right? So in the link below. I'm going to give you some help. If you want it, it's there. If not, you can just focus on what I taught here and make it happen for yourself, okay? I love you guys. I appreciate you. This is Wesley. $1 billion dollar virgin. Let's go. Later.